Hello everyone, I am Salahuddin, native of Pakistan. We are learning the names of the family members in Italian language. In Italian language. Grandmother, nonna. Grandmother, nonna. Grandmother, nonna. In Italian language. Nonna. Grandmother is nonna. Family in English. In Italian language, familia. Familia. Nonna, grandmother. Grandfather, nonno. 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 Grandfather. Grandfather. Grandmother, nonna. Grandfather, nonno. 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 Noni. 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 Grandparents, noni. 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 Grandparents, noni. Noni. Grandparents, noni. Mother, madre. 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 Grandmother. No, no, mother. Real mother. Madre. Madre. In Spanish language it also says madre to the mothers, and Portuguese madre, and in Italian mother. Mother is called madre. Father. Mother, madre. Father, padre. Same like the Spanish. Padre. Same like the Spanish language. Padre. 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 Father. Padre. Father. Padre. Father. Genitore. Parents. Genitore. Parents. Genitore. Parents. Genitore. Parents. Genitore. 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 Parents. Genitore. Parents. Parents. Genitore. Genitore. Parents. Genitore. Parents. Parents. Daughter. Daughter. Filia. 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 In Italian language. Son. Filo. 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 Son. Filio. Filo is son. Son. Children. Children. Fili. children, fili, children, fili, children, fili, children, fili in Italian language. Nonna, grandmother. Nonno, grandfather. Nonni, grandparents. Madre, mother. Padre, father. Genitore, parents. Filia, daughter. Filio, son. Fili, children. Sister, sister. Sorella, 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 brother. Fratello, fratello. Brother, 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 fratello. Fratello. Fratelli, sibling. Fratelli, sibling. Fratelli, sibling. Fratelli, sibling. Fratelli, fratelli, sibling. Fratelli, sibling. Aunt, aunt and uncle. Aunt and uncle. Zia, 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 aunt. Zia, aunt. Uncle, Zio, Zio. Uncle, Zio. Aunt, Zia. Zio, uncle. Aunt, Zia. Uncle, Zio. Zio. Uncle and aunt. Uncle and aunt together. Z. 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 If uncle and aunt, both of them are standing anywhere, Z. Uncle and aunt. Z. Together. Cousin, female. Cousin, female. Cousin, female. Cousin, female. Cugina. 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 Cousin, female. Cugina. Cugina. Cousin, female. Cugina. Cousin, female. Cugina. Cousin, female. Cugina. Cousin, male. Cugino. Cousin, male. Cugino. Cousin, cousin. Cugini. No. Cousin, cousin. Cousin, male. Cugino. Cousin. 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 Cugino. Cousin. Cugino. Cugino. cousin, cugino. In Italian language, cousin female, cugina, and cousin male, cugino, 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 nice nephew, grandson, and daughter. For four words, only one word in Italian language. In Italian language, nipote, 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 nipote. One word or four words in English. Nipote, nipote, nipote. For nice, for nephew, for grandson, or for daughter, granddaughter. Nipote, 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 nipote. Husband, marito, husband, marito, husband, marito, husband, marito, husband, marito, husband, marito, marito, husband, marito. Wife, moglie, wife, maglie, wife, maglie, wife, maglie, wife, maglie, wife, maglie, wife, maglie, maglie, wife. In Italian language, maglie, wife, maglie. Father-in-law. In Italian language, father-in-law, father-in-law, suocero, 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 father-in-law, suocero, 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 father-in-law, suocero, suocero, father-in-law. In Italian language, suocero. Mother-in-law, suocera, suocera, suocero, father-in-law, suocera, mother-in-law, suocera, suocera, mother-in-law, suocera, 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 mother-in-law, suocero, father-in-law, suocera, mother-in-law. Parenti, 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 relatives, parenti, relatives, parenti, relatives, parenti, 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 relatives, parenti, relatives, parenti, relatives. Fidanzato, 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 for men, any place which which is nominated for Fidanzato in any function and in hotels and anywhere. Fidanzato for men. Fidanzato for men. Fidanzanta for women. Two words. Please keep in mind. Fidanzato for men. Fidanzanta for women. Ragazzo. 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 Girlfriend. In Italian language, ragazzo, girlfriend, ragazzo, bisnona, great grandmother, bisnona, great grandfather, bisnona, great grandmother, bisnono, great grandfather, pronipote, pronipote, great grandson, great granddaughter, great grand nephew, great grand niece. Only one word for it in Italian language, pronipote, pronipote, pronipote. Okay, please read again and again, and we repeat. Familia is called family in Italian language. Nonna, grandmother. Nonno, grandfather. Nonno, grandfather. Nonno, grandfather. Grandfather. Nonno, grandfather. Nonni, grandparents. Nonni, nonni, grandparents. Uh, Grandmother and grandfather equal grandparents. Nonni. Madre, mother. Madre is also used the word in Spanish language and in Portuguese language. Madre for mother, padre for father in the Spanish country, Portuguese country, and in Brazil. Madre, padre, madre, mother, padre, father, madre and padre. Two words are using in three countries, near about four countries: Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Portugal, and in Brazil. Brazil and Portugal. One language is spoken Portuguese. Okay? Keep in mind. Madre, mother. Padre, father. Genitori, genitori. Parents, genitori. Parents, mother and father, parents. Filia, filia, daughter. Filio, son. Filli, figli, figli, children. Sorella, sorella, sister. Sorella is sister. Fratello, fratello, brother. Fratello, brother. Fratelli, fratelli, sibling. Zia, aunt. Excuse me, sorry. Zio, uncle. Zil, Z, uncle and aunt together for both Z, Z in Italian language. Cugina, cousin female in Italian language. Cugino, cousin male in the Italian language. Nipote, niece, nephew, grandson, and daughter For four words, only one word in Italian language, nipote, 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 marito, husband, marito, moglie, 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 wife, suocero, 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 father-in-law, suocero, father-in-law, suocera, mother-in-law, parenti, parenti, relative, fidanzato, uh, anywhere, uh, anywhere nominated a place for men and a place in for ladies in anywhere hotel, boutique, and anywhere uh, at the time of the marriage. Okay, fidanzata for men, for men. Fidanzata for ladies, fidanzato for men, fidanzata for ladies. Please, ragazzo, ragazzo, boyfriend, ragazzo, boyfriend, ragazza, girlfriend, ragazzo, boyfriend in Italian language, ragazza, girlfriend in Italian language, bisnonna, great grandmother, bisnonna, great grandmother, bisnonna, bisnonna, bisnonno, great grandfather, great grandfather, bisnonno, bisnonno, pronipote, for great grandson, great granddaughter, great grandniece, great grand nephew. Only for four words, pronipote, one word in Italian language. Okay, please. Thank you very much. Read again and again and try to understand the pronunciations of the words, and keep in mind, write on your copies and try to understand the pronunciations of the Italian language. Please leave me with subscribe my channel, follow, share, like and like. Thank you.